In streamlining the purchasing department, we need to develop a commodity team, that there should be an assigned team for every product line or items. We have to minimize the number of suppliers and vendors on our list. We have to develop a supplier selection program and monitor their performance if they are compliant with our requirements. Supplier selection and evaluation system is a must. Analyze our current activities in procurement operations and eliminate non-value added activities in order to streamline. We have to maximize our manpower, our buyers in our procurement department or procurement division, known also as purchasing. Develop our buyers to select the best suppliers for each commodity or items that we use in our organization. Learn to negotiate in contracting and evaluating the requirements. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. You make me laugh.